Catch the wave, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of shrimp fried rice with a healthy twist. Picture this: succulent shrimp, sizzling in a hot wok, mingling with crunchy green veggies. First, marinate your shrimp in soy sauce and a dash of black pepper. Set it aside. Now heat your wok and throw in a spoonful of heart-healthy olive oil. Sauté finely chopped garlic until it's golden and fragrant. Next, add in your marinated shrimp, stir until they turn pink. That's when you know they're cooked. Now, toss in a medley of your favorite leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, or even bok choy. Once they're wilted, add in leftover rice. Yes, you heard right. Leftover rice makes the best fried rice. Stir it all together, add a dash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of sesame oil, and you're done. Remember, the key to perfect fried rice is high heat and quick cooking. This ensures your veggies stay crisp and your shrimp doesn't overcook. And there you have it, shrimp fried rice that's not just delicious but also packed with nutrients. A feast for your taste buds and a boost for your health. Until next time, keep those woks smoking and your palates curious.